So what is my investing resolution for 2023?
I have two simple resolutions for myself. Resolution number one is I want to invest more because right now is the bear market and I assume the bear market is going to roll over 23. So I want to put more money, become wealthier in 2023.
Considering that we are still in a bear market, I think what I'm going to do is that I'm going to prepare myself with the knowledge. And then at the same time, I'm going to look at my budget and see whether can I prepare more bullets or not lah. Because knowing is one thing and the making money part is not by knowing but is by taking action, right? I will set aside some budget every month so that I can prepare the bullets.
I'll keep on investing. Of course, I normally take out about 20-30% of my returns to go for holidays, which I travel very frequently. In fact, this year I'm going to travel to 32 countries and you guys can do the same as well.
Invest well and more consistent in a way. And hopefully, years to come, I am financial free.
Investing resolution. I cannot tell you, but I would still love to retire while my hair is black.
For my 2023 investment resolution will be, I hope that I can achieve a 12% ROI in 2023. I hope you guys are the same towards the increasing trend.
If I can sum it up in one word, I would say courage. My investment resolution for 2023 is to be courageous in finding deep value stocks, knowing that we are somewhat in a bear market and that a recession may be coming soon, so the stock market may dip further. But also having courage to then pull the trigger, shoot that bullet and then buy the stock, even when there's pessimism in the market, but to stay true to the knowledge that I have and be brave about the knowledge that I have and know that I'm doing the right thing when it comes to value investing.
My investing resolution for the new year, basically to increase my ROI and research on more companies to invest in and also inject more capital for my investments.
I actually intend to set aside a certain sum of money to invest in VOO for the long term.
Resolution number two is I wish to spend more money on myself because I've been working so hard, right? So I think I need to learn how to make money more meaningful. And money itself is only meaningful provided we use it wisely and meaningfully. I would like to wish all of you a good health and preferably a super hot 2023 and beyond.
Wishing everyone a happy new year and hopefully you earn lots and lots of money in 2023.
I wish you and everyone a very happy, healthy and prosperous new year. Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year, everyone. Wish you have a good year ahead.
Have a happy new year, guys.
Happy New Year, everyone!